Murang ka, kita yung legs mo eh.
Ah!
Sinus ko na yung yung in-order ko na lens from Mercari. Kung hindi nyo natatanong, mahilig ako sa sa picture dati. Videography. Kaso nag-quit din ako. Kasi ang bigat eh. Ang bigat nung camera, tapos basta komplikado, papalit ka pa ng lens. Lilipat mo pa sa computer mo, mag-i-edit ka pa. Masyadong komplikado. Maganda siya, pero matrabaho. So natutunan ko yung pag-create ng videos gamit ang phone lang. Nag-stick na ako doon. Kasi madali lang. So ito siya. It is a third-party lens called Yungno. I don't know kung tama yung pagkaka-pronounce, pero third party kasi yung major na players natin, Nikon tsaka Canon. So this is a prime lens 50mm 1.8 f1.8. So it's good for portraits. Yan. Testing natin. Kaya ako siya binili dahil gusto kong i-picture yung bago kong panganak na baby, si Baby Zane. Yun lang naman ang purpose nito. Binili ko lang siya ng $37. O, diba? Mura lang. Subukan natin. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga sample pictures nito. Yan o. Sa prime lens. Yeah ba? So abangan nyo. Idudugtong ko dito yung mga pictures na magagawa ko or makikreate ko. Pansin ko lang ang liit lang nung laman, pero ang laki ng pinaglagyan na box. Akala ko mayroong lamang gulay.
Kaya nga.
Akala ko may talong sa loob o kaya repolyo.
Kaya nga.
Ewan ko sa kanya. Siguro wala makitang box. So anyways, eto siya. Subukan natin. Inaantay ko lang yung camera kasi nasa ate ko. Hiramin ko yung camera ng ate ko. Ay ko, tanda. Okay guys, I wanted to talk to you about this lens na nabili ko online. I got it for only $37. Ulitin ko, $37. Hindi po siya bago. Ang brand new po nito is about $50 to $53, which is half of the original Canon 50mm, which is about $100. So, doon pa lang, panalo na ako, diba? Ang laki na natipid ko. Although this is not original, this is only a third-party lens. But basing it on the video right now that you're looking, hindi ko po in-expect na ganito ka-clear yung videos na mapuproduce nung lens. Para sa akin, I'm pretty much happy. I mean, there's nothing to complain. $37 with this type of video, diba? Clear. Nothing to complain, really. But anyways, let's talk about the lens. It's called the Yungno 50mm. The company is based in China. They're, I think, known for producing or copying lenses of Canon or Nikon, if I'm not mistaken. Okay? Since I stopped photography 4 years ago, medyo nawala na ako ng update sa mga bagong lens or cameras. I just came across this lens like 2 weeks ago. Kasi I wanted to buy this lens para mag-photoshoot. Basic photoshoot ng bagong panganak kong baby si Zane. Yun lang po ang main purpose ko, kaya ayokong bumili ng mahal. Since wala naman akong SLR, second hand na lang binili ko, 'di ba? Okay, I wanted to talk about the build quality of this lens. Syempre, obvious naman, it's made of plastic just like the Canon 50mm. Pero masasabi ko na medyo solid pa naman yung pagkakagawa nito, hindi siya madaling masira. Next is meron siyang auto and manual focus button just like the Canon 50mm. Pero ang wala dito napansin ko is the image stabilization button. That is very important kasi just like what you can see right now on my videos, if you're attempting a handheld video recording, shaky ho talaga yung camera or yung video output niya. Mahirap po siyang i-control. Unlike doon sa Canon, meron siyang image stabilizer. Meron itong included dun sa box na front and back cap lens. It has a 52mm thread, and of course is very good in low light condition. So kahit madilim, basta meron kang light, and it depends on the camera that you're using. Syempre, may bearing pa rin ho yung features ng camera mo eh. Kung gaano kataas yung ISO niya. Syempre, itong lens na to, we can use it for a full frame or APS-C camera. Hindi ko na ho explain yan. Alam mo yan ng mga photographer. If you're asking me bakit ako nag-quit doing this hobby, simple lang eh. Ang mabigat siya. Alam nyo na hindi ka kontento sa isang lens lang eh. You have to have multiple lens. Diba? Kung meron kang tatlong lens plus yung camera plus yung iba mo pang accessories, yung tripod mo, ang bigat. Hindi siya practical ngayon pa na meron na akong dalawang bata. So 4 years ago, I decided to sell it. And in addition, parang dagdag pa dun sa bigat is magpapalit ka pa ng lens, set up mo pa yung settings ng camera mo, ililipat mo pa yung picture sa computer mo, mag-i-edit ka pa. Alam mo yun, sa editing you spend a lot of time para ma-achieve mo yung gusto mo talaga na picture. So, maganda na siya sa camera pero you spend time eh para mag-edit. So ayoko na ng ganun. I stopped it kasi masyadong nauubos yung oras ko. Yeah, it's an expensive hobby. Let's face it, mahal to. Kaya I stopped it bago pa ako mabaliw. Diba? Nga pala napansin ko, if you're in live mode or taking pictures, medyo maingay yung autofocus system niya, and then matagal siyang mag-lock. And let's go to the colored version. Ito yung hindi monochrome. So, kumain kami sa restaurant and I've been shooting this. It's kinda dark in the restaurant. So, I'm shooting this at f1.8 with ISO at auto mode. And makikita nyo, I'm trying my best not to be shaky. Pero mapapansin nyo, parang nanginginig pa rin yung camera. So if you're going to ask me, recommended ba ito para sa vlogging? Definitely no. You cannot. Mahihilo yung manonood do sa inyo. Now, if you're sitting, kung kalma lang yung kamay mo na mag-shoot on video mode, pwede siguro. But overall, with the lens na nabili ko, I'm super happy kasi it's cheap, the quality, it's good. Syempre naman po, I tried the pictures of this. Mas maganda pa rin malayo. I mean, mas sharp pa rin yung pictures ng Canon. Oh, that is a big difference too. Sa susunod ko na video, I'm gonna shoot photos only. On my next video review of this camera, I mean this lens, lahat na ipopost ko lang is pictures. So, abangan nyo yun. Once again, this is the Yongnuo 50mm f1.8. If wala ka pang prime lens na katulad nito, you might wanna try this one if you're short of funds. Kasi it can perform what a prime lens should be able to do. What I'm trying to say is that kaya naman yan i-deliver kung ano yung ina-expect natin from a typical prime lens. By the way guys, I use this Yongnuo lens on a Canon body. It is the Canon T5i. And kung gusto nyo naman pong makita yung video test using a 50mm Canon f1.8 prime lens, meron na akong nagawang video noon pa nung meron pa akong DSLR. At ilalagay ko po yung link sa ilalim nitong description. Just click the link para mapanood nyo yung review. Thank you.